All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your open trade information as well as your trade history and how to navigate it on Abato.com. That's the trading platform that we're using. So let's just go ahead and open a very small trade here so I can show you. So I'm going to open a 0.01 lot size. Let's just open a buy position right here. There we go. So we have our open trade. And now right here on the left bottom side of the platform, you'll see the trade tab. So when you click the trade tab, you'll be able to see all of this information about the trade. So the volume, the symbol, the open price, and as you scroll to the right, you'll be able to see where you've set your take profit, stop loss. And then all the way in the right corner, you'll be able to see your live P&L, so your profit and loss. So this is basically as of wherever the market is right now, that's where your profit and loss is. And on the right side here, you can also close the trade manually if you would like. Now, let's go back to the orders history tab, which is the second tab right here. So let's go ahead and click there. Now over here, we would be able to see all of our previous orders and trades. And on the right side here where it says period, I'll just zoom in there, where it says period, right now it's set to a month. So let's click there and we can see that we have a whole bunch of options here. So we can see today's trades, the trades from 2 days ago, 3 days ago, past week, past month, all the way to all of the trades that you've done since you've started this account. So that's how you navigate the current live trade information tab as well as the orders history tab.